Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to measure angle. So for example, you can create angles by using the line command. And if you want to measure these angles, we can use the dim angular command. Press enter and you can select these two line objects to measure the angle. Okay, you can rotate these line objects from these points and move to the bottom here. The angles will be automatically changed. You can create against the line objects at this point, and to measure you can type dim angular, press enter, select the two line objects to measure the angle. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial how to measure angle.